Dear students of class 6, hope you have practiced whatever we have done in our earlier class. In class 5, you have already learned how to create PowerPoint slides. In this class, you will be learning how to insert a table and apply a table style. Format the table, inserting a chart, applying animation effects and adding transition effects, inserting sound and video clips. At first, click on the Start button and select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. MS PowerPoint window opens with blank window. Now, to insert a table, click on the New Slide under Home tab and select the title and content layout. Now click on the Insert Table icon. See, present on the slide. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Here, number of columns 5 and number of rows 2 by default. You can change the number of columns and rows by clicking on the upper and lower arrow buttons. We want 5 number of columns and 4 rows. So, click on the upper arrow button. Okay. Now click OK. A table will be displayed. Here in the table, I will enter subject-wise marks of students. First, name, subjects, English, Maths, Science and Hindi. Name, Sara, English marks 89, Maths 90, Science 87, Hindi 90. Arjun, English 98, Maths 97, Science 92, Hindi 91. Riyaj, English 92, Maths 93, Science 95, Hindi 90. So, I have entered 3 records. You can add here one suitable heading. Student performance. Okay. Now see, when the table is selected, you will find various tools and commands present on its design and layout tabs. See here, such as shading, borders, effects, draw table and different table styles. Now, to format the table, you can add or you can see various table styles. Okay? And select any one table style. So, you have seen how to create or insert a table and apply a table style. Alright? Now see how to insert a chart. So again you click on the Home tab, select New Slide, select Title and Content Layout. Select the second option, Insert Chart. Okay. The Insert Chart dialog box appears. Select the chart type. See on the left hand side. In the left pane, and the subtypes of the selected chart will be reflected on the right pane. So here column chart is selected. Column is selected on the left pane. Okay. See on the right pane column selected. Okay. Now click OK. The chart will be displayed with a datasheet that contains the default data. See here, it contains the default data. You can replace the data. Replace the data by entering your own data. You enter here subjects, English, maths, science. Here you enter the name of students. Sarah 90, 92, science 98, Zara 98, 93, science 93, Arjun English 93, maths 98 and in science 93, Riyaj English 90, 93, science 95. See on the left hand side the chart is created. Okay. You can add here suitable heading. Student performance. Same heading. So see our column chart is created. Okay. Now to apply animation effects, open any presentation. So I will take the first slide and you write something here. Welcome to our online class. Here you can write Happy Convent School. Happy Convent School. Down you can write class 6. Alright. You can take it little bit above. Change the color. It looks very light. Done? Okay. Now to apply animation effects, select the object you want to animate. So here I have selected this object. Welcome to our online class. Okay. Now select animation tab and select any style from here. You can see more styles. Select any style. Again, you can select this object and add one animation style. And you can see the preview here. Alright. Now see how to add transition effects. Suppose this slide is selected. To add transition effects, I have selected this slide. We want to apply a transition. Now click on transition tab. See, transition to this slide group appears on the ribbon. Now click any style from here, or you can see more styles down. Select anyone. Alright. So in this way we can apply animation effects and transition effects. Now see how to insert sound and video clips. Now see how to insert sound clips at first. Click on insert. Audio. Click the first option, audio from file. Select from sample music. I will select this music, Sleep Away. Click on insert. Okay. So it is working. All right. Now to show how to insert video clips, here I will enter one new slide first. Okay. Insert video. Here sample video, wildlife is there. Click on this, insert. Insert it. Now see it is working or not. Click on the arrow, play button. So it is working. Alright. Now we will see all the slides one by one by clicking these options, slideshow. Alright. Now see the slideshow. Click on slideshow. Select this option from beginning. Alright. Click here on the play button. So you have seen the slideshow. After the class, you are expected to practice the same. Thank you everyone.